Hi, my name is Chef Francisco Rivera. I'm one of the full-time culinary professor faculty, and I'm in charge of the Humber Room restaurant. We are using the same ingredient, the same dishes that you would see in a regular restaurant. Our kitchen is a global cuisine, which means we use from Asia to Europe, so that all of them will touch base of a little bit part of the world. They know how to cut and portion meats, make pizza dough, make breads, make dessert. They create everything from scratch. We are teaching them how to be a real cook in a professional kitchen, and we are honing their skills and slowly building their confidence so that when they go on their internship, they'll be working either in a hotel or a restaurant. They'll used to that environment, the stress, the setup, how to work efficiently, technically, cleanly, and their knife skills as well. Every 2 weeks, they move around in each station. They don't stay on one, so their creativity is always different, and they have to readjust every 3 weeks as well. We like them to work together in unison as a team. Kitchen is always work far better when they communicate with each other and work together.
Community here, it's welcoming, it's friendly. The environment is positive.
It's about teamwork. If you don't have teamwork, you don't succeed. It's awesome. It's really awesome.